Welcome to this video for AI Millionaire, and in this video I am going to review specifically the social media creator. As you can see down here on the left hand side, there is the social media creator. You click on this, there's a video here. It talks about how to use it. 8 minutes long. You can check that out, or you can get a transcript of it, or just listen to it, whatever you want. So here's how this works. Millionaire social media creator. So you answer the questions and it'll create some social media posts for you. Okay. So the way with social media creator here, it's to promote something, but you can use it to just make some content without promoting if you want. I'm just going to use restaurant, for example, and show you how you can use this a little bit differently. Maybe if you enter in a website, and I just picked one that is close by me, Earl's Restaurant. Okay. And then what are your hobbies? You can just type in whatever you want. Maybe these are that the people you're trying to reach, your target audience, maybe these would be more of their hobbies, right? So just put in whatever works for you or whoever you're trying to make the social media post for, right? So you want it to be, this is going to do is going to create a story-based social media post to entice people that are interested in what you're offering or what you're talking about. So let's go sailing. Sure. So, and then you get down to list any pets and include names of a type of animal. So if you have pets, great. Even if you don't have pets, your audience, probably some pet lovers. So you can do Rex the dog and Sally the cat. I have no idea. It's two's good. Don't put in too many. It'll make it too overwhelming for this creating a story, and it'll get too chaotic. So you want to keep it simple. So don't go overboard here. And again, when it comes to people, like max 2 people works kind of the best. So put Mary, wife, and Mike, son. All right. And then again, what is your current job? Could be dentist. All right, and let's see what happens here. So click the submit button here, and it's analyzing the core deliverables. All right, so here you go. Ever had one of those days where everything seems to go wrong? It was one of those gloomy Saturday afternoons. I had just returned from a long walk with Rex, my energetic dog, and I was drenched from the surprise rain. Mike, my son, was glued to his video game, while Mary, my wife, was in the kitchen whipping up a delicious meal. But as fate would have it, the power went out. Now we had no lights, and the oven was as useless as a screen door on a submarine. I could hear Sally, our cat, meowing, probably annoyed at the sudden lack of activity. I figured, why not make the best of it? I grabbed a flashlight and gathered the family in the living room. We started telling stories, playing games, and laughing with a pack of hyenas. As the hours passed, I realized something. In the hustle and bustle of life, we often forget to simply enjoy each other's company. When the lights finally came back on, I felt a sense of warmth, not just from the bulbs glowing overhead, but from the time spent with my family. This little hiccup turned into one of the most memorable evenings, and that got me thinking about how important it is to take a break from our busy lives. Sometimes you just need a little spark to ignite those cherished moments. Speaking of sparks, I discovered something that can help you create those unforgettable memories while enjoying amazing food and drinks. All right, so now you can see that it's transitioning to sort of softly promote the restaurant. If you want to learn more about this nifty way to elevate your family time, just holler family feast below to get the inside scoop. All right, so it doesn't actually mention the restaurant here, but kind of giving you that if you want to learn more. So the idea is to get people to engage in your comments. So again, you don't have to use this last part. You could just use 3/4 of this and just putting a post out there showing that you're a real human. So very handy tool that you can use. And again, if you are promoting, whether it's your own business or not, you can put in the website. You can play around with this. Don't even put in a website and see what happens. And just list all this other stuff and whatnot. Got it. To get started with creating engaging story-based social media posts, I'll need 2 things. I need the web address or content that describes the product and its core deliverable. What does it do and how is it useful? And any personal information you want me to incorporate, like experiences, hobbies, or family details. So these 2 buttons down here, these are if you want to copy it, and this is if you want to open this up so you can talk. The website is about local restaurants in Miami. I don't even know. Oh, let's put Vancouver. That's where I live. And then let's see what happens here. To create engaging story-based social media posts for the local restaurant, right? I'll need the specific website address or some details of the restaurant. Family-oriented, casual experience of food. And then always a great time there. Let's see. I misspelled that. You can play around with this and it will spit out stuff for you. You can see here now that it's created some post ideas for you as opposed to giving you that story-based thing. You can totally take these, right, and further develop them, all right, as you want as well. That is the social media creator tool within AI Millionaire. So if you are interested, click the link down in the description. It'll take you to my bonus pages where you can get all the bonuses that I'm offering to go along with Media Creator. One of those big bonuses is how to take the content you're creating and make it work for you and make money with it. So it's the content blueprint. It'll be very beneficial now that you have this tool to create your content. Now you got to do something with that content to attract people so you can make money. So best of luck, keeping it real. Thrive.